Welcome everyone to the remote Fremont #1 Tournament Awards and closing ceremony for First Tech Challenge Ultimate Goal presented by Qualcomm and hosted by T Connectivity and T sponsored team Turbo V8. As you've experienced, FIRST is a community of global citizens. We're more than an organization. We're a family, a movement, a culture for participants, volunteers, and supporters. Programs like First Tech Challenge are essential for creating scientists and innovators. This generation of scientists and innovators and the next are truly the key to saving the world, and we must do all we can to believe in them by preparing and celebrating them.
Let's celebrate the outstanding day we've had and our incredible participants. Before we hand out our awards, let's thank the awesome people who have made this event happen. Today could not have been possible without our volunteers. Please give a big round of applause for all of the volunteers who have given their time, effort, dedication, and so much more to start this game and make this program a success.
And another big round of applause for our generous sponsors. Our first Game Changers powered by Star Wars, Force for Change, season sponsor Disney and Lucasfilm, the Ultimate Goal season presenting sponsor Qualcomm, and our official program sponsor Collins Aerospace. Thank you. And an extra shout out to our local NorCal FTC sponsor, Qualcomm. They support Playing Out Learning, making it possible to support you.
Before we hand out the awards, I would like to introduce our special guest, Dr. Ting Gao, Senior Director of Engineering at T Connectivity. Now let's welcome Dr. Ting Gao to say a few words.
Hello, everybody. Good evening. I believe today has been an exciting day for all of you. It is my great honor to be able to give a short talk at this event. My name is Ting Gao, the Senior Director of Engineering at TE Connectivity, also the site head of TE Fremont Technology Center. TE has been sponsoring FIRST activities more than 20 years, and last year TE hosted the first on-site FIRST tournament at our Fremont Center. And this year we are proud to host the first event again, a virtual one. Let me share a little bit about myself. When I was a kid, I always had a strong interest in both science and engineering, which was why I decided to pursue a career that strongly bonded to technology. For my university studies in physics, I started in China, majoring in semiconductor materials and applications. Later, I find the fun part in the cross-boundary science areas. The same properties could be viewed and applied onto different applications depending on whether you viewed the situation with a lens from more of a physics or a chemistry side. So I followed my dream from China to here in the USA, where I got my PhD in inorganic chemistry. Soon after, I completed a postdoc at Caltech and eventually came to TE. My job in TE is to lead a global corporate technology teams for materials research and development. I am and have always been impressed by the FIRST program, which really focuses on promoting science and technology, inspiring innovation, developing problem-solving skills, and encourage teamwork for our young scientists. Interestingly, a lot of things you are doing today, the same skills that you are doing today, and also the skills you are practicing in the FIRST robotic competition are similar to what we are doing in our daily jobs. In TE Corporate Technology Center, every day our scientists work together to identify and define and clarify problems, propose various technology approaches and with a lot of creativities, and work as a team to develop innovative material solutions. This can help to improve our products, for example, by elongating our product lifetime, adding new functions, and sustain extreme harsh environment. Here you can find that to be a good scientist and engineer, you need to have a technology foundation to understand what the problem is and what may be potential approaches, right? You need to have an open mind and be able to work well with your team members in order to contribute and identify the best route. You can be proud of yourself by working in your projects and designs. You have been developing your skills towards scientists and engineers naturally. I also want to encourage you all to always have a strong curiosity and passion in the areas you are working within. Curiosity and passion are the greatest drive force behind all the projects I lead and participate in. also the necessary elements for all scientists and engineers to have in order to reach success. It has great seeing so many people trying their hand in engineers today. Without the dedication that comes from those two characteristics, I don't think that all of you, the teams here, could have made it so far this past year, especially with how different everything had to be done compared to the years before pre-COVID. I hope that you can keep this kind of passion and always have this curiosity behind you to continue seeking out opportunities within this community. And if you decide on something else, I hope it leads you to success and whatever you may seek. Something that we are proud in T, besides our products, as well as technologies and engineering success, is how T is full of diversity. Every day we strive to increase the range of different people we include, to hire a larger variety of people, and to give more people a chance to develop their skills and succeed. As a female engineer leader, I would like to encourage girls to explore and practice your skills in science and engineer areas. This is an area that is full of innovation and creativity, fun and challenge. Of all those competing, your technical and engineering skills have brought you here. And at the end of this finals of the tournaments, and it is an achievement that I and all of us at TE hope you can be proud of. Thank you for your time, and congratulations to all the teams who are receiving awards today. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Ting Gao. Now we're moving on to hand out the awards for this tournament. Teams, are you ready?
The Controller Award, sponsored by ARM Inc., celebrates the team that demonstrates innovative thinking in the control system to solve game challenges such as autonomous operation, enhancing mechanical systems with intelligent control, or using sensors to achieve better results on the field. The first runner-up for the award is 4345 Argonne Robotics from San Mateo. Here's what the judges had to say about the winner of this award. This team's robot is stacked with advanced control systems, just like their magazines get stacked up with rings. One button is all the driver has to press to get 3 lines shot in the goal. Their robot can also detect rings in the field and plan a smooth path to pick them up, practically like a Tesla autopilot. The Control Award is presented to 7303 Robo Avatars from Fremont.
Next, we have the Motivate Award. The team that receives the Motivate Award has a culture of first and clearly shows what it means to be a team. This award celebrates the team that represents the essence of the First Tech Challenge competition through team building, team spirit, and displayed enthusiasm. This is a team who makes a collective effort to make FIRST known throughout their school and community and sparks others to embrace the culture of FIRST. The second runner-up of the Motivate Award goes to 14162 Bots and Bytes from Fremont. The first runner-up for the Motivate Award is 18254 Insane Bots from Menlo Park. Here's what the judges have to say about the winner of the Motivate Award. This team knows what it takes to create a buzz about FIRST Robotics. They're a leap ahead of the competition when it comes to keeping score. We are proud to see this team make another headline tonight. The Motivate Award is presented to 13380 Quantum Stinger from Fremont. Congratulations.
The Design Award expands on this year's challenge, inspiring teams to incorporate industrial design into their robot. These elements can be shown in the simplicity of the design as it implies to the task, the look and the feel of the robot, and how the design allows us to think of robots in new ways. The design aspect must serve a function, but they should also differentiate the robot in a unique fashion. The first runner-up of the Design Award is 12869 Voyager 6 Plus from San Ramon. Here's what the judges had to say about the winner of this award. This team is a force to be reckoned with. Judges of Fusion 360, CAD, and 3 3D printing, they also learned industrialization with injection molding. Working with a physics mentor, they learned that robot mass times acceleration equals robo-force. The design award is presented to 13356 Robo-Force from Fremont.
Next, we're moving on to the Collins Aerospace Innovate Award. The Collins Aerospace Innovate Award celebrates a team that has the ingenuity and inventiveness to make their designs come to life. This award is given to the team that the judges feel has the most innovative and creative robot design solution to the first Tech Challenge game. Elements of this award include elegant design, robustness, and out-of-the-box thinking with regard to design. This award may address the design of the whole robot or some sub-assembly component of the robot. The creative component needs to work consistently, but a robot does not have to work all the time during matches to be considered for this award. The team's engineering notebook shows the design of the components and the team's robot and clearly explains how the team arrived to their solution. The first runner-up for the Collins Aerospace Innovate Award is 16778 Cyber Wizards from Fremont. All right, here's what the judges have to say about the winner of the Collins Aerospace Innovate Award. Having a quick toggle mechanism to switch between quote-unquote ninja mode and quote-unquote reverse mode, their robot probably navigates as swiftly as a jellyfish at sea, just as this team clearly did safely around pandemic challenges. By naming their vision system Webby, it's evident that this team has a great sense of humor. Their Innovate Award. Can you expect less from a jellyfish with ninja skills? The Collins Aerospace Innovate Award is presented to 7390 MSET Jellyfish from Saratoga. Congratulations.
The Connect Award is presented to the team that the judges feel most connected with their local science, technology, engineering, and math community. A true FIRST team is more than the sum of its parts and recognizes that engaging their local STEM community plays an essential part in their success. The recipient of this award is recognized for helping the community understand FIRST, the First Tech Challenge, and the team itself. In addition, the team that is recognized by this award aggressively seeks and recruits engineers and explores the opportunities available in the world of engineering, science, and technology. The second runner-up for the Connect Award goes to 14214 Nuvus from Fremont. The first runner-up for the Connect Award is 8367 ACME Robotics from the Grass Valley. Here's what the judges had to say about the winner of this award. This team worked through the nights to connect with the community. Their work to 3D print shields to protect hospital workers is exemplary. When they needed industry sponsorship, they went mad on LinkedIn and found it. The Connect Award is presented to 7854 Midnight Madness from Sunnyvale.
Now let's move on to the Think Award. The Think Award is given to the team that the judges feel best reflects the journey of the engineering process. The engineering notebook is the key reference for judges to help them identify the most deserving team. This team's engineering notebook focused on the design and build stages of the team's robot and exemplified their journey as a team and engineers. The first runner-up for the Think Award is 8872 Robopocalypse from Santa Clara. Here's what the judges have to say about the winner of this award. Thorough, professional, stylish. This team has done extensive studies to design their robot and made careful choices weighing the pros and cons of each option. They use a combination of coordinated navigation systems and color sensing techniques to navigate the robot. They also founded the FTC Club at their high school and created a nonprofit organization to promote robotics among school kids. The Think Award is presented to 14300 Animatronics from San Ramon. Congratulations.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will now present the winners of today's competition. In sixth place, we have 14162 Bots and Bytes from Fremont with a ranking point total of 1,253. The fifth place team is 4345 Aragon Robotics from San Mateo with a ranking total of 1,269. The fourth place team is 18254 Insane Robotics from Menlo Park with a ranking total of 1,292. The third place team is 13356 RoboForce from Fremont with a ranking point total of 1,605. In second place, we have 11039 Innovators from Fremont with ranking total of 2,047. Our winning team in first place is 7303 Robo Avatars from Fremont with ranking point total of 2,293. Thank you.
All right, congratulations to all of our high-ranking teams today, as well as everyone who has participated. But finally, we are moving on to the Inspire Award. The Inspire Award is presented to the team that the judges felt truly embodied the challenge of the First Tech Challenge program. The team that receives this award is a strong ambassador for FIRST programs and works to promote FIRST and make it loud in their community. The team that receives this award has performed well in all judging categories and was chosen by the judges as a model First Tech Challenge team both on and off the playing field. This team shares their experiences, enthusiasm, and knowledge with other teams, sponsors, their community, and the judges. Working as a unit, this team will have shown success in performing the task of designing and building a robot. The judges used observations made during interviews and in the pit area, the team's engineering notebook, and performance on the playing field in determining the winner. The second runner-up is 7390 MSET Jellyfish from Saratoga. The first runner-up is 14300 Animatronics from San Ramon. And here's what the judges have to say about the winner of this award. This gravity-defying team aimed for the stars while smartly creating programs for special ed, foster children, and low-income students. Not only did they spend 1,200 plus hours on outreach, they took their expertise overseas to 4 different countries. This team calculated localization with 96% accuracy, but we calculated today's winner with 100% accuracy. The Inspire Award is presented to 11039 Innovators from Fremont. Congratulations.
Thank you all for being a great audience today, supporting the next generation of leaders and innovators and bringing your gracious professionalism to the competition. And a big thank you, everyone, for we had an excellent event, and we look forward to seeing you next year.